If Photopea is giving you a text layer error, or your text suddenly won't type, won't move, or just disappears, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your text working again fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips, editing fixes, and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to check is whether Photopea is still stuck in text edit mode. This happens a lot when you click into a text layer and Photopea is waiting for you to confirm the change. If you can't select other tools or the keyboard seems locked inside the text box, press ESC on your keyboard. You can also look at the top options bar and click the check mark to confirm the text changes. That will exit text focus lock and release the input so you can work normally again. If it still feels frozen, switch over to the Move tool by pressing V. That usually breaks the active text editing state and lets you regain control of the canvas. Next, if you can type but nothing appears on screen, the problem is usually invisible text. The first thing to check is the font size. On high-resolution canvases, especially 300 dpi or 4K documents, standard text sizes like 12 pixels can look like they vanish completely. Highlight the text and increase the size in the top bar, sometimes all the way up to 100 pixels or more, depending on your project. Then check the font color. If your text fill color matches the background like white text on a white canvas, it will look like nothing is happening even though the layer is active. Change the color to something bold and obvious, like black, red, or blue, just to test it. After that, open the Layers panel and make sure your text layer is actually on top of the shapes or images beneath it. If a solid rectangle or photo is sitting above the text, it will hide the letters completely. Another common Photopea text layer error comes from custom fonts or loading issues. If Photopea gives you a local font error or a specific font refuses to render properly, try loading the font file directly. Go to File, then Open, and select the local font file if it is a TTF or OTF file. That can add it into your current session and help Photopea recognize it correctly. If the issue still happens, switch to a simple system font like Arial or Roboto. This is a great test because if the default font works, then the custom font was probably corrupted, unsupported, or causing the rendering issue. In many cases, changing the font is the fastest way to confirm where the problem is coming from. Now let's talk about another important difference that confuses a lot of people. Point text versus paragraph text. If you click once with the type tool, Photopea creates point text, which is basically a single text line with no boundary box. That means if the line runs too long, it may extend off the screen and not automatically wrap. If you want text that stays inside a box and wraps neatly, you need paragraph text. To do that, choose the type tool and click and drag to draw a text area before typing. This creates a bounded rectangle and your text will automatically wrap inside it. So if your text seems to disappear or go off the canvas, check whether you accidentally made point text instead of paragraph text. And here's one more big fix. If your text layer has been rasterized, you cannot edit it like normal text anymore. In the Layers panel, look at the thumbnail. If you see a standard image thumbnail instead of a T icon, that layer is no longer live text. It has been converted into pixels. Once that happens, you cannot just click and edit the words the same way you could before. The solution is to create a new text layer with the type tool, then type the text again from scratch. It might take a minute, but it is the correct way to restore editable text in Photopea. So to recap, if you run into a Photopea text layer error, first exit text edit mode with S or the checkmark, then fix invisible text by checking size, color, and layer order. After that, troubleshoot custom font problems, make sure you are using the right text type, and finally check whether the layer was rasterized. Those simple steps solve most text issues in Photopea without needing to reinstall anything. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick editing fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.